software applications will still be around in short and even medium and probably in long-term time, in long-term period of time, because Elon Musk has a lot of work to do until he creates a neural link, a way to transfer the to increase the input and output with the digital world to be in a byte area, in to be direct to our brain. What in medium term could minimize the power of the apps is the different ways humans could interact with the smart device, like the voice assistants. Theoretically, we could communicate with the devices to execute some task, and the more tasks that are possible to be executed with voice, the bigger probability of becoming something viable. The problem with the voice is they are controlled by two or three American corporations: Apple, Siri, and the Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. So there are three, and they are owned by these corporations. So a new developer, if he wants to create something with voice, he must put his pants down and to improve the big corporations assistant. So it will the improvement he will make with the voice assistant will be in the end actually owned. The voice improvements will be property of the big corporations, which is not okay for a lot of people. Another aspect is the increase of privacy. So, to a mobile device, smart device, if to be able to grab the voice input, the device must record everything around. So it is a privacy concern. So many people are not enjoying this collecting of information by big corporations that are centralized and that could actually listen everything that happens around in your house. So this is something negative, a negative aspect that will actually reverse and make apples make apps applications viable in medium and probably in long term. So there are smart devices for the hand, smart devices like the mobile phone, they tablet, and if a device to be useful, it must interact with the outer world. And these big corporations, as big as they are, cannot do everything. There are endless variations of things, of internet devices, of integrations with whatever smart thing around, and every type of interaction with the endlessly customizable platforms around the world are apps, are custom apps, applications created by developers, and this is why applications will still be around. Another aspect of it is until we cannot input and output with the digital world directly with some neural link, with some implant in the brain or some hat that is transmitting the reading and transmitting the neural impulses Until then, there is a saying that a picture says 1,000 words. So the visual aspect of the mobile devices will still be around. So creating visual interfaces will still be around because visual stuff tells a lot of information to the user, and it affects his psychology, and it, and people are actually used to mobile screens and devices and output from some visual aspect. The evolution of the display could one day migrate to a projector, um, a way to output the display, to project the display on a wall, but it will still be some kind of some kind of 2D or 3D information visualization. So this is another aspect why applications will still be a viable option to be developed in the medium and long term.